Welcome to Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic, Surat. I am Dr. Chintan Bhavsar, MD Dermatologist and Hair Transplant Surgeon. Today, I will personally walk you through one of India's leading hair restoration centers right here in heart of Gujarat. Our clinic is landmark for advanced ethical and result-driven hair transplant solution. As you step in, you are greeted by our warm and highly trained front office team. Our reception area is designed to offer comfort, confidentiality and trust, values we hold close at Hairfree Hairgrow. Every patient begins their journey with thoroughly consultation. We believe in personalized care. Here in Surat, we analyze hair follicle density, scalp health and hair growth pattern with precision. Our waiting area reflects our commitment to care, where aesthetic meets professionalism. Now, let's walk into our operation, the procedure suites. These are operation theaters maintaining strict international sterilization standards. We specialized in advanced big FUE, direct hair implantation, Sapphire FUE, V tools you see here. Our medical team consists of expert technicians trained under my direct supervision. Each graft is handled with extreme care to ensure high survival rates and natural results. Hairfree Hairgrow Surat also offer hair loss treatment like platelet-rich plasma to boost hair growth post-hair transplant. We use double spin high concentrate PRP protocol with German centrifuge system. Additionally, we offer low-level laser light therapy and mesotherapy for patients preferring non-surgical options. All of these are done under strict medical supervision. Post-operative care is equally crucial. We provide detailed guidance and follow-up to every patient to ensure long-term satisfaction. We proud to be one of the most trusted hair transplant clinic in India. With over thousands of successful cases in Surat alone, our results speaks for themselves. You can see many of them display here. Real people, real transformation. At Hairfree Hairgrow Surat, you are not just a patient, you are a part of our successful story. From diagnostic to design, from procedure to post-care, I personally oversee every step with a perfect blend of technology, technique and trust. Visit us today at Hairfree Hairgrow Surat. Let's bring your confidence one follicle at a time. Thank you.